Hindi ba lumalaki yung market mo and therefore you are saying that your sales is not improving? Ang kinakailangan mong gawin is matutunan mo yung target market mo. Sino ba sila? It comes by engaging your customers, understanding who they are. Sino ba sila? Anong age profile ba nila? Male ba sila o female? Ano ba yung status nila in life? No? Saan ba sila located? Ano ba yung kanilang psychology? Ano ba yung hinahanap nila? These are the things that you have to understand for your customers kasi kung nagbebenta ka lang, talagang hindi lalaki yung sales mo. Kinakailangan maintindihan mo yung customer mo, ano ba yung hinahanap nila, ano ba yung value proposition mo na umuugma doon sa kanyang hinahanap, at ano pa yung pwede mo ibigay na special sa'yo, na kakaya mong ibigay, at tuloy, madi-differentiate ka from the other competitors. What you have to do is engage with your customers and find out what they need. Kasi through engagement, malalaman mo din kung ano pa yung ibang produkto na hinahanap nila. Kung magtitiwala sila sa iyo at masasabi nilang itong supplier na ito is mabait, pwedeng pagkatiwalaan, consistent ang delivery, on time, tama yung price point, they will trust you to provide for their other needs. Pwedeng merong kakabit yung produkto mo na pwede mo namang gawin na napakadali at ibigay mo din sa kanila. And therefore, doon sa ganong paraan, lalaki yung iyong sales. Don't just wait na yung customers mo ay palalaki yung sales mo. Kinakailangan ikaw ang may gagawin para lumaki yung sales mo. It requires understanding your customer and improving your service to them, improving the value proposition. And if you keep on doing that, you also have to message them properly. Kinakailangan maabot mo sila at malaman nila that you exist.